Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Cleanse your face and pat dry before measuring moisture with the device. Hold the meter perpendicular to skin and wait for the beep. Use the meter on the cheek and forehead for 3 readings each. Record the highest consistent number to avoid transient variance. Target skin hydration is about 40 to 60% for balanced moisture. If readings stay below 35%, prepare to increase hydration with targeted steps. Apply a hydrating serum when readings are below 40% to raise moisture. Gently press the product into skin and allow full absorption for 30 minutes. Use a lighter moisturizer when readings exceed 60% to prevent oiliness and congestion. For normal 40 to 60% readings, maintain your regular morning and evening routine. Aim to retest moisture after 30 minutes and again after 3 hours to confirm stability. Adjust product amounts by 1 pump increments to fine-tune hydration levels. Maintain room humidity around 45% with a humidifier for optimal skin balance. Reduce indoor heating and use a humidifier when levels drop below 30%. Limit hot showers to 5 to 10 minutes to prevent moisture loss from skin and restore barrier function. Recalibrate your moisture meter monthly and log readings to track trends and seasonal shifts. For persistent imbalance, consult a dermatologist if
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.